Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be trying the stuffed Cheez-It pizza from Pizza Hut. I got the plain cheese and then I got the cheese and pepperoni. And so we're just gonna try them out, see how they are. We have our marinara sauce. I believe they were $6.99 each, so not a bad deal, right? I'm starving. I actually haven't eaten all day, so we're just gonna jump into this. All right, I'm just gonna start off with the cheese because I'm pretty sure I'll prefer the cheese and pepperoni. We'll see. All right, so this is what they look like, and then you open it up, and it's maybe just like mozzarella cheese on the inside or something. Doesn't look extremely like yummy, but we'll see. Probably with marinara sauce, it'll be like perfect. Tastes like Cheez-Its, like the powder of the Cheez-Its. Mozzarella cheese, for sure. I'm curious to know like what made them decide to do this. Try it without the sauce. Tastes like bread with mozzarella on the inside. You can kind of taste the Cheez-It powder. Not too much though, which is good because I'm not crazy about Cheez-Its. However, my niece is, which is why I was like, I should try this. This is how big it is. Actual size, I don't know. There, that's how big that is. This is the pepperoni one. Whoa. And so we'll just try this one. I'm gonna go ahead and open one up for you actually. That's what it is on the inside. For the cheese and pepperoni one. It's kind of like a Hot Pocket. The pepperoni definitely like conceals the Cheez-It taste. I kind of feel like this is like a flop. Like, I'm trying to understand the point of this, but I don't quite see it. The pepperoni is not my favorite. I surprisingly prefer the regular mozzarella cheese one. I don't know. Like, I'd rather just get breadsticks. Like, if I'm gonna be eating all this bread, may as well be breadsticks or cheese sticks. Can't even taste the cheese and pepperoni in this. I don't know, I think you guys need to try this one out for yourself. Doesn't it kind of remind you of a Hot Pocket? I actually wasn't planning on making like this video at all, but I got out of the salon late and then I saw this and I was like, that'd be a good video, why not? But I'm realizing whenever I see like these kind of things, like food video opportunities, it's always like a week later than everyone else. I either need to get better at knowing what's coming soon, or I need to just start uploading on Monday. I think I finally have a little consistency on my channel. Like, can I just have the mozzarella and not the breading? Much better. I could like fall asleep now. I'm so tired. I really had expectations for this, like good expectations. All right, there we go. Beautiful. That just came right off so smoothly. I was trying to get home today and the pizza guy beat me home. And then but I saw him looking at the map. And so I told him, well, I asked him if the order was for Lisa, and he's like, yeah. I was scared he wasn't gonna believe me that I was Lisa. He believed me though. I even got my wallet out, like ready to show him my ID, didn't even ask for it. I was like, okay. But I guess me knowing the name that it's under, what's he know? But yeah, I was supposed to be here before him, but then it's like raining like crazy here in Phoenix, which is nice. I love it. You guys know I love my rain. But we have this spot on the road, like right before my apartments, that catches all the water and it floods. I had to make this weird U-turn. And then I followed a car. Don't mean. Followed a car. Not once, not twice, but 3 times, the exact same car. And he was wrong all 3 times. I decided to kind of stray off on my own, and then it didn't work out, so I just came the long way home. And then he was here, he beat me. Honestly, skip it guys, don't even go for it. It's not even that good. I had high expectations for Pizza Hut. Like, I kind of thought that they had something going with this, but like, no. We'll see what Domino's comes out with, if they come out with anything. But yeah, no. And I love my Pizza Hut, but like, not worth it. The cheese was good, but like, not just gonna eat cheese. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Follow me on Instagram at Lisa Nicole Gomez. Subscribe, like this video, comment down below what other video you'd like to see, and have a beautiful day. God bless.